In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Woocommerce. Whether you want to switch the front-end language, modify the dashboard language, or even set up a multi-language store, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Changing the language settings can help you reach a broader audience, provide a better user experience, and make your store more accessible to international customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to configure your Woocommerce store so that it matches your language preferences or those of your users. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's talk about how to change the front-end language of a single-language Woocommerce store. This is the language your customers will see when they visit your site. To begin, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings section and click on General. You'll see a variety of site settings, but what we're looking for is the Site Language dropdown. This is where you can select the language you want to use. For example, if you want your store to display in French, simply choose French from the drop-down menu. After selecting your desired language, don't forget to scroll down and click the Save Changes button. Now, there's one more step to ensure everything works smoothly. Go back to your dashboard and click on Updates. Once there, scroll down to the Translations section. If you see a button that says Update Translations, click it to download and apply the necessary language files. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the default Woocommerce text, such as product descriptions and checkout buttons, will appear in the language you selected. And that's it. Your Woocommerce store's front end is now displayed in the language of your choice. Next, let's look at how to change the dashboard language without modifying the front-end language. This is especially useful if you manage your site in a different language than the one you want your customers to see. The process starts the same way. Go to Settings and then General in your dashboard. Once again, you'll use the Site Language dropdown to select the language you'd like for your dashboard. For example, if you prefer Spanish for your admin area, select Spanish. Click Save Changes to confirm your selection. The next step is to customize your user profile language. Go to the Users section in your dashboard and click on Profile. Here you'll see a language dropdown specifically for your user account. Choose your preferred language and then save your profile settings. Once this is done, go back to Settings in General to revert the site language back to the original language you want for the front end. This way, the front end remains unchanged for your visitors, but your dashboard is now displayed in the language you selected. It's a simple way to customize your experience while maintaining the look and feel of your store for your customers. Finally, let's cover how to set up a multi-language Woocommerce store. This is perfect if you want to offer your site in multiple languages to cater to a diverse audience. To do this, you'll first need to install and activate the Translate Press plugin. Once it's activated, go to Settings and then Translate Press. In the General tab, look for the All Languages section. Here, you can select an additional language from the dropdown, say German, and click the Add button to include it on your site. After adding the languages, you'll have the option to customize the language switcher. This is a handy tool that allows your visitors to toggle between languages. You can adjust its placement or style to match your site's design. Once that's done, head over to your site's front end and use the visual translation editor provided by Translate Press. This tool is very intuitive. You simply hover over any element on your site, click the pencil icon, and translate the content. If you want to save time and enable automatic translations, go to the Automatic Translation tab in Translate Press. From there, you can connect to a machine translation service like Google Translate to generate translations automatically. And there you have it. Whether you're changing the front-end language, customizing the dashboard language, or creating a multi-language store, Woocommerce offers the flexibility to make your site work for you and your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.